Okay, so let's check out what's going on here. We got a swap out on a variable speed controller that's gone bad on this Chevy Silverado. And basically what happens is one or two or three of the speeds will go bad, and then only one will work. And on this scenario, this happens to almost every model, where one or two or three of these speeds will go out and only like number 3 will work, number 4 will work, or number 2 will work. And then eventually what happens is that will actually go out also. Whatever number's left, that'll finally go out. A lot of times you can, like, just bang on the steering wheel for a second really lightly, and it'll shake the dash and it'll kick in the fan motor, which is really odd. But the only thing it's doing is this, putting a little vibration on the speed controller and helping that little resistor connect, and then it kicks right back on. So let's take a look at what's going on down here. This is what's really going on. First, you got to remove your cowling. So there's 4 bolts, as you can see where they are here. Okay, there'll be 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, one's over here, and then another one's over here. The one here is hard to get to, but I took that out. I took these 2 out. That one you can leave in and just swing the cowling back. Then there's 2 bolts that hold this variable resistor or speed controller in the actual blower box. It's very simple to take this out. It's only got 2 screws. The bolts that are the screws that are holding the cowling on are 9/32. Okay, the other one is going to be a 7/32 bolt that goes on this that holds 2 of these 7/32. Okay, so basically this controller goes up in the blower box like so. Okay, and then you're going to take out the 2 screws and then just drop that down. And if we take a really close look at this, you can see that the casing here is actually cracked. Okay, and that's from this years of wear and tear and abuse and dirt, and that's what happened there. So you can see the components are rusted here from moisture, and that's probably what caused this to fail. There's moisture in here, and it's burned out. It's actually cracked. So the variable resistor part's actually cracked. The new part looks like this right here. You can see the difference. This totally brand new. It's got a relay on it, a power cord on it, and then it has the plug-in for different speeds. So they sell them in different models, and there's cheaper ones and there's more expensive ones. And I would say buy the middle one. This Master Pro, we had good luck with those. I'm not saying buy the Master Pro, but it was like 48 bucks, and they last a long time. It's going to outlast this truck. But it's a very simple. Just unplug this, unplug the other one there, the red and the black, plug it back in exactly how you found it, put the 2 screws back, put the cowling back, put in your 4 screws, and it's done. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. But if the Autoport store is going to ask you if you have an automatic or a a manual, it sounds funny, but that's what they're going to ask you. And the manual system looks like this, is where it's controlled by manual. If it's automatic, it's going to look more like your radio with a digital readout. Okay, so it's that simple, guys. This is a work truck, so it's a little dirty, but that's as simple as it gets. His truck has 168,000 on it right now, and it never let me down. So I think we put on a water pump, a couple belts, alternator, let's see, brakes all the way around, and we also did the booster and the master cylinder. So basically it's in pretty good shape. It runs like a horse. We drag trailers behind this every day, all day long, and it's a beast. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it helps you guys out. It's a very simple process. It's very cheap.